Yo, what up, YouTube? Your boy T Breezy finally back with another video. I know it's been a minute, but hey, been having a little bit of bad weather out here, but it's all good. We finally back. Today, we're gonna be on this little back road POV again. I got the Insta360 camera too, and I'm gonna try to put it on later on so y'all can see what that looks like. But yeah, so since I've been away, I got these hood vents installed to try to help out with that heat from that supercharger. So got that on there looking good. But yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna jump into this GoPro and get straight to it. I hope y'all enjoy. Peace. All right, here we go, y'all. We got in sport mode, finna turn off traction control. We're gonna get straight to it. I'm gonna try to do the best I can. I don't know if it's still wet back here. It's been raining pretty good the last few weeks, for real. So we're gonna see what we can do. I'm gonna try to roll the windows down. Hopefully the wind noise ain't too terrible. Maybe y'all can hear the car a little bit, but yeah, this little road right here, it's maybe a mile long, and it's got a good bit of corners and stuff on it. So there's a motorcycle right there as we speak. But yeah, we're gonna try to cut up a little bit. Right now it's doing real good. I ain't been back here in a few months, so I'm trying to kind of still feel it out just a little bit, but shoot, right now it's looking real good. I'm trying to stay real focused, for real, why I ain't talking so much. Turn up here that's like, it's just like a straight turn. I think this is it right here. Yeah, it's almost like a dead end. All right, hold on, we got it. All right, here we go. pretty much it, for real. And my first time going through there in a while, so I had to kind of get used to it again. But let's see what the temps look like. 201, 126. That's not too bad. But I'm gonna turn it around and I'm gonna go through it one more time now that I kind of refresh myself a little bit. See if we can make a quick U-turn. Nah, that didn't really work. Might have to cut that out. But yeah. Let's get back into it. Low-key, a lot of traffic back here today, for real. That crazy turn again. Look at that. That's insane. handling pretty well though, to be honest with you. I got the Nitto 555 R2s, I think, on the back, and then the Extreme Contact Continentals up front, 285 up front, 305 in the back, and then a couple of BMR stuff for the handling. But it's holding up pretty good though. I mean, it's supercharged at that, so I'm pretty impressed with it so far. And that's gonna do it. Well, hold on, I can do one pull right here real quick. We'll see how much traction we got. Do one pull right here. Hey, it did not like that. That was in first. Trying to launch from like, I think three grand. So, but hey, that's probably gonna be a wrap for today's video, I think. Well, I'm probably gonna turn back around and go down this road with the 360, the Instant 360 on the back. But I might put that in this video, but I'm probably gonna end up making that into like some shorts. So you gotta stay tuned and look out for the shorts, and I'll probably have a video of me going like full throttle right here on this same road. But yeah, that's probably gonna be it. Let me know if y'all messing with that, because I gotta come back on this road for real. It's only I think it's like my second time, maybe third time out here this year. So, and last time I went was like, I think like in March. But yeah, I'm gonna get back out here though. Y'all just let me know if y'all messing with. I didn't talk too much. I had to concentrate for real, because hey, them corners sneak up on you. But that's gonna be it. Sorry for not posting anything for real the last 2 weeks, but I'm trying to get back into it. We just had a lot of rain come through, to be honest with you. But hey, now that that's out the way, we can try to move forward. Y'all let me know what type of content y'all want to see for real. I gotta figure out, next video might be me trying to drift for real, because I gotta figure out something, because I cannot drift this car to save my life. But we might even go out to the track, but we'll see. Y'all just stay tuned though. But anyways, that's gonna be it, man. I hope y'all enjoyed. Peace.